Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys that here I'm just using the default theme, and I'm going to change the theme so my phone can be more beautiful. If we want to customize our phone, we can go to our settings application, and then we have to select themes. We want to change the themes of the Samsung Galaxy phone. Then here we'll be able to access a lot of themes. And if you want to get a free theme, you just need to go to the search button and you can search the themes by keyword, or you can also search by color palette, or you can also search by categories. And I'm just going to enter the keyword. I'm going to search themes which is related with the forest. So here I'm just going to add forest as the keyword. Okay, and these are the themes which are related to forest, and I'm going to filter it to get the free theme. We can select top free, and these are the free themes we can apply to our Samsung Galaxy phone. And I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, just click on the theme you would like to apply to your phone, but then we have to download it first before we use it. Click on download, and you have to wait for a moment until the theme is completely downloaded. Okay, and now the downloading process has completed, and we just need to click on apply. Okay, and now it's done, and as you can see that the theme has been changed. And if you're not satisfied with the icon, or if you want to change the wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy phone, you just need to go to the theme again. You can click on settings, and here you can go to wallpaper if you want to change the wallpaper. Here you can also access a lot of wallpapers, and you can also change the icons of your application. You just need to go to icons and you can customize it right here. And I'm just going to use this theme for my Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.